Hi, are you wanting to discover the absolutely best weight loss program ever? That's easy to get you the absolutely best weight loss results that you want. Don't click off. I've got it for you. Ladies, I do not struggle to get weight off anyone. My program works, but I'm going to show you why and how. First, I want you to know that I'm a real person. Yes, I am a holistic nutritionist. I'm also a female going through menopause. I've had 2 children, and I've had the weight gain that goes along with it. First, I want you to know that I totally understand where you're coming from. You are looking for the best weight loss program to give you fast results easy. Do I understand? Yes. Do I hear you? Yes. Do I understand you're frustrated? Yes. Do I understand that you're struggling? Yes. I created my program for people just like you. But you know what? You're unique. That's right. You have a unique metabolism, unique hormones, a unique weight loss struggle, fat burning struggle, and you have personalized needs. Friends, you're not a cookie. So a cookie cutter program will not work. Sure, there are many other programs out there for weight loss that do work for some women. I get it, they do. But some of them are missing one vital ingredient that I don't miss. And you know what? That makes this unique to you. I'm going to make sure to include personalization. Like, what does that mean? Personalized metabolic labs so you know for sure what your metabolism needs and what you need to have success. Sound good? Great. First things first, click on the like, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me some comments tonight because I want to help you and I always comment back. I want to start by telling you a true story. When I was 35 and I'm 59 now, almost 60, I gave birth to baby son number 2. I was over 185 pounds and the short 5'2" gal was not happy. I was totally struggling to lose weight. I have never had a weight loss struggle before that. I kept saying something changed during my pregnancy. I couldn't eat the way I used to eat without gaining weight, and I was tired and my hair was falling out. Not fun. So I went to a local clinician and they said, hit the gym, reduce your calories. How could I do that? I have a newborn, I have a 4-year-old, I'm tired, and I'm only eating 900 calories to begin with. How can I possibly reduce my calories anymore without passing out? And I have 2 kids, boys that are active. How am I supposed to do the gym and take care of myself and cut my calories and take care of them? Okay, I gave in, I gave up. So I took my babies to the local gym, hired a really good trainer. No weight came off. There was no weight loss. I was like, what was wrong? I love the trainer. It was great. It wasn't his fault. I felt like there was something wrong with me. So I went to another local clinician. Again, I had traditional labs run and I was told, Alane, everything's normal. Cut your calories, hit the gym. You're just a tired new mom. Like, no, I'm not. Something's wrong. So, okay. I had to put on my nutritional thinking cap and figure it out. And I did. I started going to classes, but this time on the metabolism, the adrenals, the thyroid, cortisol, the liver, detox, things like that. I was totally blown away in one of the thyroid classes. I loved the teacher. He was great. I learned that functional thyroid levels were different than traditional thyroid levels. Okay. This helped me realize that my thyroid was really slow, even though the traditional clinicians said it's not. Okay, so I went home and I ran traditional blood work through my clinic. My MD that I work with helped me out. And I learned that my TSH was a 4. Okay. Functionally, your TSH should be a 1. Mine's a 4. Totally different. That's because traditional range for a normal thyroid is anything under a 4.5. So my case is a borderline hypothyroid. What happens to people like me? You gain weight, you lose your hair, and you're tired. Okay, you're told to cut calories and go work out, but that's not the answer. Plus, I also learned from doing blood work on myself that I had something called Hashimoto's, which is autoimmune against the thyroid, a double whammy, hypothyroid Hashimoto's, goodness gracious. I did exactly what the teacher said to do. I supported my thyroid, changed my diet, and I lost weight fast. Why? Because I finally understood my metabolism and what it needed. No guessing games, no spinning my wheels in circles anymore. Comprehensive metabolic labs showed me exactly what to do. And yes, my metabolism did change, like many other women's changes after I had 2 babies. So I have to sit here and say, goodness gracious, how many new moms out there are going through the same struggle? Or maybe you're a mom and you're like me in your 50s or 60s. You're like, I think that happened to me. I think after I had children, my metabolism slowed down. I was like, you know what? You guys are smart. You're probably right. Okay. And even women that don't have children, same thing. As we get older and our hormones change, our metabolism changes. And you need comprehensive metabolic labs to figure out what's wrong. And I understand some people need to lose 10 pounds, 5 pounds, 20, 30, 50, 60. Everyone's different. But your metabolism is your metabolism. So one thing I did is I created a program, and I call it the best weight loss program anyone can do because it works. As I said, I don't struggle getting weight off anyone. Hundreds and hundreds of local clients in the Atlanta area had weight loss success. And one of them said to me, it was kind of cute. She goes, Alane, I love hearing you speak about food, the metabolism and hormones, but can I just listen to you at 11 o'clock at night when the kids are in bed? No, I'm sleeping. She goes, Alane, get creative, girl. I want to listen to you when the house is quiet. Like, well, how do I do that? I'm in bed asleep. She says, no. Videotape yourself. It's like, I don't like the camera. She said, get over it. Okay, so obviously I did. So I created a program with videotapes and labs, something no one's done before, because it's not just about a video series, although mine is really good because it covers things that others don't. But my program, Metabolic Mastery, covers labs too that are comprehensive. They're totally similar to what I had done and what I do in my local clinic. So the best weight loss program is a program where you have a guide, that's me. And then there's a person that's needing a change or a transformation, that's you. And a healthier and happier life, that's you. But you know what? We need a real, accurate plan. And that's why labs are important. And that's why this program works. It's accurate, it's personalized, and it works. There are no other programs like it. So some of the things the labs that I run will cover are a complete thyroid, why are you not burning fat, what's going on with inflammation, are you able to detox properly or no, where's your fat burning vitamins, is fat okay for you to eat or no, is gluten okay to eat or no, do you need vegan or no, do you need a high protein diet or no way? Are you eating enough greens? I'll let you know. Plus, I run hormones and cortisol in the saliva, not the blood, because saliva tells you what's free and bioavailable. And if your hormones are not working right, that fat, belly, burning, hindering, really mean hormone cortisol is going to go sky high. And you're not going to like it. And with all test results, you get a personalized protocol written by me, not a computer, by me. Here's what you do next. If you want to read more, click on the link, read the blog that has to do with the best weight loss program. But if you're ready to work, yay, celebrate, you guys are smart, click on the link, order the Metabolic Mastery Program. I'll meet you on the inside. Let's get started having you success. God bless. Bye-bye.